morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you dey watch me for. My name still remain Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the President of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. Today, we come talk to the Controller General Immigration. Controller General Immigration, you need to explain to Nigeria and most importantly, Edo people, for the past 2 years, now this matter don dey happen for our state. But before I go lead my protest, go for immigration, I just want to let the world know that Nigeria international passport going to 2 years now. If you want to do for Edo State, for Benin, for Ramapa, it's either they refer you to Kogi State, or they refer you to Asaba, or they refer you to Bayelsa, or they refer you to Port Harcourt. At times, people will go Calabar, go to this matter not dey happen for the past 2 years. Today, we dey call on Immigration Controller General for nationwide. Why this Nigeria passport dey scarce for SASA? That is number one question now. When I dey ask the Controller General, where dey Abuja, this international passport, why e dey scarce for SASA? As we speak today now, e no get any state where you go for SASA where I say this booklet of international passport dey. But if you go northern Nigeria, you go Nasarawa, you go Kano, you go Kaduna, you go Maiduguri, this international passport is available there. Why? We want you to explain to Nigerians. We want you to explain to Edo people. A lot of people now, most especially our brothers and our sisters, when their passports don't expire, they get stranded now. They get stranded. This international passport, now our property, now our right to do it. Even when we hold our money now, we know the get them for Edo State. The governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, this matter don dey happen for the past 2 years. If you want to do this passport for Edo State for Benin, it's either they go refer you to Kogi State or they refer you to another state. At times they refer people to Ondo. So, Controller General Immigration, why they give you that position now to bring ideas for immigration? That institution, now to bring ideas for that institution. Today, you don't get any state where you go for SASA, for Niger Delta, where you go see this booklet. A lot of people, they don't get lament fees, importers for inside market, nothing renew their passport. You go this immigration office, they say no booklet. You go to other state, no booklet. You go here, they say no booklet. But one side of the country, they get the booklet. With a shame as an injustice, with a shame as an intimidation, with a shame as see finish to SASA people. All the Controller General where we don't get for the past 4 years now. Now what is going to happen to Edo people with this? You don't get any time when you go take go down Rama Park for immigration office. May they give you your international passport there. It's either they tell you say no booklet never come, make you go to that state. You can never go to that office. They will do your international passport for you. So, Controller General, we want to make you explain to Nigeria and make you explain to Edo people home and abroad why the matter be like that. Like this international passport now. Some people there now for the past 3 months for Edo State, when their passport don't expire, they want renew. To even renew now a problem. They'll tell you say booklet no day. Does it mean say the money where that immigration don't they make? They don't get reserved to print booklet, just to print this booklet, just to print this international passport. What do they want to take federal government? Muhammadu Buhari, Mr. President, what do they go take this immigration people to print this official price na how much? But to get this passport now, you will spend like 60,000 naira. Yes. To get this international passport now. Because of the say, go here. Somebody, immigration, they call me today. Somebody told me, say, go Nasarawa State. They get from Nasarawa State. Why Nasarawa State will get booklet and Edo State not will get booklet? Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, I beg, call the commander for immigration for Edo State. Call am, make this passport available for Edo people, home and abroad. This matter don take ground for the past 2 years. E dey pay me for body. E dey pay me for body well. Somebody wey be say he hold the money to do the passport. The story wey you dey hear no booklet. My brothers and sisters, as una dey watch this video, make una dey share am. Make una dey share am until the Controller General Immigration see this video. Because some part of the country, nothing they get booklet, then SASAC don't get. SASAC don't get. Anybody who want to do this passport now for Edo State must go to another state to do. Is it supposed to be like that? Immigration Controller General now they ask now. Now question now they ask why? Delta State wey near Edo no get. Bayelsa State no get. River State no get. Cross River no get. Anambra no get. Enugu no get. Igbo Udo State no get. Then some part for the country they get an SS. All this one are injustice. So we are calling our governor because now he be the chief security of the state. Anything wey dey happen for Edo State today, now he dey go first call. Now make me dey call am now. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, call the immigration commander for Rama Park. Make international passport available for the people of Edo State. Our Edo people dey risk their life for road wey they say they travel go dey do am for another state. In case you wan call me as we dey talk so, you fit call my line 08053841781 08053841781. This passport when I dey talk about, wetin you wan take federal government to produce am, wetin you wan take them to produce am, so that they go fit make am available from every state. Even Nigeria embassies for different countries. Now some Nigerians wey dey diaspora, Edo people wey dey diaspora, still dey struggle to get this booklet, this international passport. Federal government is making a lot of money from this passport. Why? They no dey invest back for the passport today for grant, so that our people go fit collect am. I know many people don't call me, say they want to renew their passport, they don't see booklet. They want to renew their passport, they don't see booklet. I know many people they tell me, they want travel to do passport now, no problem. Importers put inside our market. Now inside market are there now. Inside market now they do this report, inside market. I know how many importers we're supposed to travel now. Go China, go Germany, go America, go buy goods from. But this international passport is not available. Controller immigration, is it right? Is good like that? For somebody to be controller, immigration officer. Now you say you supposed to bring ideas when Nigerians will get this passport. If another thing there, why una don't want to make it available? Make una tell Nigerians and Edo people. Make una tell Edo people. Wetin me don notice? Wetin me don notice for the past 2 years? Now they talk now to get international passport for Edo State, not the day easy. They must refer you to another state. We don't want them again. We don't want them again. May they bring the international passport, come their office, so that anybody wey be down go fit dey do am. One of my brother Afrisan want international passport. He had to travel to Bayelsa, and he reach Bayelsa, he no see am do. He dey risk in life for road. Na so many people dey suffer this thing when they talk and they no fit cry come out. So you when they see me and they hear my voice, and this thing, you still they pass through all this thing that they talk for immigration hand. Share my video. Share this video until Muhammadu Buhari, the president, and the Controller General of Immigration, and Interior Minister, all of them when they charge, when they see them, waiting to go take federal government to produce this international passport. Yes, waiting you want to take them. Waiting you want to take them. If you want to do this passport now, the official price, now very small money, but if you want to do between 55,000 to 60,000, different price. Why? Because you must travel. Where you travel, you must stay at a hotel before you fit one the next day. Before you know, money they go 80,000 or 80-something,000. Why? They say people with the power of corridor, that they make things they hard for poor masses. My name still remain from the Lucky or Rupe. In case you won't call my number, you want add voice to my voice, you want contribute your quota, or you get anything where concern this passport matter where they talk. The thing they touch you, you won't call me, you will call this number 080-5384-1781. 080-5384-1781. Controller General, Immigration, make this booklet, international passport, available for all states. Make it available so that the people, when their own door expire, they feel renew their own. The people that want get you one, so that they feel get. You know, go good. Say people want renew passport. Common passport. Now common passport. Now book now see am. Now booklet now see am. Booklet. Common passport. Yes. If they common now, yes. So production will be money now. This one a booklet. Now book. Where we say now people yes. Now people they do am. So what do you want to take immigration or federal government to provide them for Nigerian masses, for Edo people? So at the report from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. Thank you.